Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. And while that other video was loading, I started thinking, sometimes if you have an item that is combined, you have to break the curve apart and you get that, so it destroys your product. So what you can do to do that boundary we just did is hit the plus key on your keyboard and nudge that over. Then take this one and break the curve apart. Let's just nudge it over, it's complete. But we can left click, right click, and you get the outline back in a hairline, but you don't really have to do that. You could use this right here and create a boundary. And now let's nudge it over. And then we're gonna go back to the effects contour. We're gonna contour just like we did before. Go to object, break the contour apart, and then get rid of that line right there. And this is your contour line for that item. I actually grabbed part of that, part of the drawing right there, so we'll delete that. Just delete all this, and we can now nudge this over. And now you have that same half-inch contour like the gentleman wanted. Let's make it in yellow just so it stands out. So that's if you have something combined and you can't break it apart. Because the boundary tool, well, let's just do this. You can take these two objects and put a boundary around them. But if they are welded together, your weld tool goes away. So you cannot make a boundary of this. Now you don't have to, because you can contour it. And here's a good example of contouring with rounded corners or not. If you look at that versus picking square corners, you get that. Then you get the exact copy. Now there's also beveled corners, get a completely different look. That'd look sometimes good in a text with some wordage. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.